And they should inaugurate the traditional medicine board in Lagos.
Oh, you're talking about Lagos State now?
They should do it, and they don't put a doctor there. Put people like me, like us, like this.
Traditionalists.
Yes. They may join with the doctor. A disciple of China, a disciple of Brazil, of South Africa, there are a lot of people.
And Japan?
Japan. So there are a lot of companies like that, they come together with all these things and they are doing this.
So you believe that the traditional board should be instituted and they should allow the practitioners to have a way, especially in terms of treating medical issues, and they should have their own voice and their own stand, and the traditionalists should be appointed as the director general or the leader?
Yes, because Orthodox knows about giving injection, do this and that. But when we talk about the underworld, people like us know those things. Traditional medicine, traditional people know the traditional way of treating people. Look at all those who in overseas now. Most of them didn't come here. That's what we are seeing their water here. They may actually come here at last, but even though they don't come, we can treat them. What we do for them with their name and mother's name, it will fall properly affirm and it will be nice.
Okay, you get results.
Yes, by the grace of God. If they don't get result, I cannot be standing in your front again now. They are getting the result. Everything I want to do, everything will be all right. So they should try to do the inauguration of the traditional medicine board, so that everything will be all right. And I'm seriously using this media to talk to our people abroad. They should do ritual. Some people are seeing money there. They don't do anything with the money.
Oh, you mean people in the diaspora, people living in America, in London, in Germany?
They be smoking cocaine. They will be doing all that of bad of things, which is not the best. Using the money to go to nightclub. They cannot come to their hometown and do better things that everybody will be seeing, which is not the best.
Do you think it is the Ushurumanigas, the witches that chase them out of this country? Maybe some of them are afraid of the Ushurumaniga and all of them.
The witch car doesn't chase them. Those who are facing that, you don't know that Oyibo get witch. Oyibo have a quicker witchcraft than we.
What do you mean, sir? They look gentle, sir. They look nice.
It's within them. How do they know how to cultivate and know how to build plane? How to do all those heavy engines? They are the one that know about it. Our people don't know than to spoil people, than to kill people, which is not the best. They should do something within their people. There's somebody who told me he was having a small problem. I should work for him. After working for him, everything was normal. All his family were giving me something, sending me this, sending me that. So that's the best, because small cause is better than big causes. Praise is better than causes. When people are praising you, then God will be nearing you. You'll be seeing praise of God. You'll be seeing good luck. Everything will be all right for you. That somebody be causing somebody.
Why do you think that people in diaspora send money home to their family to build houses for them, and in most cases some of those who build it still want to inherit the house, or some just eat the money, and after like 10-20 years they come and discover that there's no house? What do you think is the problem, and how can they stop this problem? Does it mean that they should not send money to their brothers, sisters again?
Themselves, they should do something within themselves.
Like what, sir?
Some prayers, some traditional prayers. Not only amen. There are a lot of amen everywhere, but they should do something within themselves, and everything they need to do, it will be successful, not in a bad way.
There's some young boys in America to in London who are not permanently professional gigolos, sir. They just sleep with women. Maybe they give them £50 from one woman to the other. That's how they survive their life. They've been checked out of jobs, so they're just professional sex workers, gigolos. How can they be delivered from this magnitude problem of gigoloism, sir?
They can never deliver the gigoloism, what you call it, because the law is what they love within their life. But it's not the best. That's part of the witchcraft. I told you that the Oyibo people, the European, can use that witchcraft. No, they are under spell. That's why they are doing so. No, some people now, what they do now, most of them, they are sucking private part of human being.
Oh my God. Okay, of the women.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Is that the profession?
They do it from here to there, from there to there. They didn't even believe that there's something they could touch within that this that they can never deliver them in their life. You know? So that's
just sucking the private part of the women, both slim and fat women.
My friend,
No, I'm surprised.
slim and fat people. The fat people will enjoy them. So the woman will be having them. We love calling them to come in modern sex. They enjoy modern sex. You know? So it's not the best. You know? And again, I advise.
There's another one now. Young people now of 27, they're now marrying women of 97 in America, marrying Yarugbos, Oyinbo Yarugbos and all that, because maybe of their wealth. Some people bring them here to come and wed them. I mean, you see a boy of 37 marry a mama of 75. What do you think is the problem, sir?
They are after money. They are all useless people. All the people that are after money, they can do anything at all. You know? I know somebody now who mentioned the name very close to me, who married somebody. He's just 20 something, and he married somebody of 60. So when the woman know that he had cheated him, because he gave him paper, he gave him a lot of things he didn't do, he put him in trouble.
Oh, she now run him into crisis.
Yes.
So that we go to jail or something.
He go to jail, and the house the man was buying, he owns the whole houses.
Oh, the one now owns the house.
Dollar. No problem. That's why all this medicine we are doing here, we look at somebody, look at sort of job he's doing before we give him sort of medicine. Because if we give some powerful medicine to some people, he will be misbehaving. Look at this thing now.
Yes, sir.
Not ever everything one does in life.
Yes, sir.
If you drink it, you won't have problem. I don't say you should go and be armed robber or you go and be thief, but if you work in an office, if you eat any money, you eat them for nothing. Look that snake in the distance.
Yeah, the snake water. I've always been very inspired by this snake water. Yes, sir.
If you drink that thing, whatever be anybody that's against the person, witchcraft, he will die. Whether he lives in the upstairs, if you have to do something bad, one day you will see the witchcraft, bram, I'm the snake. You don't bite and bam, and you cannot see the snake again. Yes.
Sir, but what are these ones? This one I'm just seeing today now, they look like Olonde and all the rest.
That's what I told you.
They're traditional.
This one now.
Yes, there are so many, sir.
This one is for protection against all this kidnapping.
Oh, they are protection over kidnapping and insecurity, sir.
This one is protection against kidnapping.
Okay, sir.
This one is worn by high chiefs, so that all his subjects will be they will like him. All this one is protection against witchcraft and gun. Okay. So there are a lot of things there, you know. So we will know the person's job before we give him the type of medicine he wants.
Okay, you will scan his personality so that he will not be a wrong person or a 419 or a kidnapper.
Or you having to give bad people gun, he will come and repeat. Look at Anini that time. Anini got such a power. After getting the power, he went down to all the people that helped him to get the power. He killed all of them. So that they will not report him. But when the time come, God made them to arrest him.
He was caught under the bed. He was sleeping with women in a house. So when the police came, he now ran under the bed, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. He was sleeping with many women. Yes, sir.
He took him to
shot him on the leg, sir.
Then took him to the hospital. They operated him and brought out many things, many charms. No? So he was confessing that he surely surrendered himself. You know, whatever one's have in life, like power, you should be very nice. Ask me for this area. This area, I told them, this Bola Adegbloye Street.
Yes, sir.
No thief.
That's named after you, sir.
Yes. No thief.
In the last 20 years plus.
No thief can come there. See, people are parking their car in their front. Nothing can happen. We bury a lot of things down there.
For prayer.
Yes. That is why all these big companies should come. We should do something for them against fire. We should do something for them against robbery. you do something for burglary, and it will offend for them. But they will not do that. They will go to a insurance company, they go and insure. That's all. It will not work for them, but they will do that. Our people believe black things, bad things. You know, if I were all this Babalawo who was a face person, you said we will not come here again because you will reading something about me.
Yes.
Lot of things. Yes. I don't do it too. Yes. I helped one woman recently. They want to take his house. He's from Egypt. He said he lost his father, he lost this thing, and the father have many houses in London. They started taking all those his friends. They were against him. They started taking those houses for him.
From the woman.
From the woman. Then I said, Madam, I don't know you before, and I don't ask money from you. That court you are going, they cannot join the case there. Yes. They did the case, they transfer the case to another court, another judge, transfer the case to another judge, till they say finally that if you happen to owe them or owe the government, you should pay and be owing the house. He say, what type of person I am? He said, because if somebody is working for him, they will later run away. I said, I'm an ordinary human being like you. I pray fervently. That's why I pray fervently.
In fact, when I came in, I saw you doing this. This morning when you are doing prayer for some people, this is what you are doing. What's the meaning of this one? Because this is the first time I'm seeing you.
I've been here now.
Yes, sir.
I used to pray fervently. If we are not for everybody, if you are for me, I will pray.
Is it tesbih? Is it because I see the Roman Catholic use this small one, then the Muslim also use tesbih? Is this a tesbih?
The Buddhists from India uses it. Yes.
Okay, the Buddhists also use it.
So. And when we can use this thing for three times, not for bad work, for anything good. If somebody is sick somewhere, whatever worry him will go immediately. Like one woman told me, he said his daughter will not use medicine and he's pregnant. I said, okay, give me the name, give her thing. After a matter deliver, what you have, you send it to me. I pray for the lady and deliver safely. No problem. Yes. That's what I used to do. I don't worry about everything what to do. All these things, high commanding.
Yes, sir.
I used to give to people. But I gave to one lady. After going to that my gate there, he came back. He said, Daddy, I forgot something. That's why I come back. He said, Daddy, please, can you borrow me 20,000? He wanted to use it on me. That gave him. I said, shishi, no day for my hand now. No kobo. If you see me like this, no shishi. The money you pay to me now, how much? Is 10,000. That's the only money I was happy. And I don't send out the money to people to buy me something. So it's not complete. So no vessel.
So she failed.
She failed. Because when she was talking to me, I started seeing some smoke coming out from his mouth. I know he went and used something on me.
But why are women so critical and so mischievous like that?
Woman, if to say I allow them, you will see them here. When I was at Morocco, people from Ekpe, you see short girl like this, He said, I born 3 children. I born 4. I said, you? He said, yes. And it's part of them that told me, say, Daddy, do your work, don't prevent people. I said, you see me like this. I don't keep my prick for hometown before I come to Lagos because of my life, not for money. Yes.
But what does it mean for those who are now using their prick to now saturate all these women, make them happy? You know, what do you think is going to happen to them? I mean, a lot of men, traditional people like you, that have so much women, concubine. Most of their clients are even their concubine. They've impregnated so many, donating sperm and all the rest to them, sir.
They are doing it for their self-love, not personally. That is why. And since all these things that is happening now, you can never see traditionalists. They say they kidnap him, what they do. It's not possible. But there are a lot of people now. Anything that I want to give you and leak, I can also put it in my hand and leak. That's why I was telling them when we get to the meeting. I say it's not good though. You want to have 7 concubines, 5 concubines. It's not the best. Where are you going? You know, Solomon, this thing destroy him.
He had 700 wives and 300 concubines.
And what is the name of this man? Very powerful man.
Is this Samson?
Samson. Woman destroyed him.
No, it's our sister Delilah, sir.
Yes. He romanced him, did all of things. I said, what is your power? Why do you do this? He said, it's my hair. If my hair is crepe, I won't have power. They crept him here. But when they kept him under one big house, when the hair started growing, he drew the pillar of the house came down, bam! About 500,000 people died there. But he himself, he died. It's all the best now. It's not like when you throw a meat in your mouth, it will be sweet. It will be sweet, but later it will go away when you swallow it. But some people take it to be this thing. He wanted to be happy, to be soothing, to be doing everything. It's not the best. It's not the best. There's some people now taking part of a woman being doing medicine. You know these messes.
Yes, sir. Yeah, they're using pad. Yeah, messes and all that. They just cut a man in.
It's a very powerful something.
Oh, women's messes.
They use it for betu. You know betu.
Yes.
Somebody just see you with this something. Now. Give me that and you give them. Imagine such a dirty something like they put it in their mouth. Because of what they want to do is bad.
Some people even use the betu to come and meet people in the office to collect their landed property. To come and visit someone and collect
company, collect lot of things. That's what they do. But there's something you could do in you cut your this here. If somebody have to come with medicine, they like this. Whatever he bring is gone. Cannot work on you. Yes. Because my keeping 7 years in the ball, there are a lot of things that I learned from the spirits. Yeah.
I mean, your 7 years in the womb was a spiritual journey that nobody can quantify.
Yes. Well, I was staying alone. A teacher that flogged me that time. They were young. If I happen to get only one maize, only one these beans, and get some big pot, I fresh water in the big pot. If that place that he came in, I will use that beans to take the blood. I will throw it there. The hand of the teacher will be like this.
Oh my God!
They will start begging me. They know me now. It's not the best. That time we were young. We don't know anything from good to bad. Now we are adult now. Somebody we are doing something on this. He said, "We slap me." I said, "Don't try it to. If you slap me, you cannot take that money to do bad good thing in life. Try it. I will not touch you." He started crying. He started going. He started telling me, "Say you don't know I'm Egbeji." They did it to me when I was going to AIT almost 5 years ago now. So my motor spoiled at Yanapaja. So I pack it. So I enter motor going to this because of the program I want to go and do.
Yeah, to honor the program.
So the boy said, your money is 100 naira everywhere. I said, I enter from Yanapaja. He said, I don't know. You must pay. I said, this is what I have. I said, leave me with this boy. He said, I'm Egbeji. Egbeji ke. Look this ring in my hand. I'm from powerful person from Zangota. I said, me. I came out. I said some words. Lie down inside there. Started drinking water. My son used to put shit. Started drinking the water.
Managing the shit water.
People were saying, Baba, they started begging me. I used this charcoal to write my name on the wall. I mean, my number on the wall. People started taking my number. So I cannot do it to people. It's in my me. So that is why.
So the boy now discovered that his Songo power is powerless before the Egbeji Ologun.
He started crying. He said that the Mawari to bawari mi agbo ni ko gbe wa. Gbagbo wa, I will bath you with it. And he brought the agbo. Brought the ram. I kill him, do a lot of ritual for him, be bath. He go, may God forgive me.
Just to set him free because it was rude to you, sir.
It
was rude to you, sir.
Yes. That's all. That is why it's not the best.
So, but why are the Yorubas not using these powers again? Now, they say the hard men are going to our farms. They are eating the cocoyam. Hard men are eating the cocoyam. They are destroying a lot of things, and they are saying the Yoruba Obas, most of them now maybe they don't have power again because all these Obas that are going to Abuja. Why do you think the Yorubas don't have the?
Shame to call that they have power. They have it, but they are ashamed to do it. You know, those people that will really have the power, they are in a bush area. They've not eaten this morning. They don't have kobo. If you see their cloth, now tear this in. They want people who give them money, they will do the medicine for them, but nobody will near them because they are dirty. It's still there. That is why I say the government should inaugurate traditional medicine.
Are you talking about the federal government or the Yoruba Southwest government?
Oh, the traditional
Southwest.
Medicine. Yes, federal government should inaugurate traditional medicine. Now we know where we bring all those bad people. They will come to us. We're telling them we will be giving them so money. They will be happy coming. They will come. Huh? They will say, okay, so. For example now, this is my bag. I'm going out now. If I'm going out now.
Yes, sir.
I'm with my bag. Something is my bag.
Yes, sir.
It's within me. If you touch me, you go here when? Yeah. It's not power. Now God do.
God gave you the knowledge.
Yes. But people are afraid. They hate people.
To experiment it.
They hate people, so they go to churches. So church don't take money. The pastor will say, man, what we are talking now, so they will not do anything for that. They will not take money for them. Some will dodge in the church. They will not pay kobo and take holy power from God through the pastors. Whereas it's a fake. It's a fake. Yes. That's what is worrying the whole Nigeria now. Yes.